Okay, we have in the figure below, ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, and we have PQ, RS are two straight lines. So PQ and RS are two straight lines. We are given the 134 degree, they already mark out here. 15 degree already mark out here. 106 degree already mark out here. Okay, so this question very nice. They already mark out all the angles they give you, right? We need to find CTD. CTD, okay, so like this, right? CTD, okay. So we have this one, right? Okay, this is the angle we need to find. What can you all do first, right? You go back to what you learned about rhombus. So you know that for rhombus, right, this angle and this angle right here, okay, I think I will mark out in like that, huh? What do you know about them, everybody? They are equal. Milkshake say that diagonally opposite angles are equal, correct? So you should first know this is 134. Now I want you to focus in this part here, which specifically, right, I want you to focus here. Anything that you can find at all. Oh, by the way, I just want to say this misconception. When the line cut like this, right, can you divide by 2? Because that is something that students like to do a lot. When can you divide by 2 and when can you not? I just want to do a quick revision with you all, okay? Because it's very important. Once you get this wrong, right, you may never get your geometry question correct. Because you always have that, misconception. Sometimes you never clear the misconception, right? You keep making the same mistake that will cost you marks, right? Okay, so right, if this is 134, everybody, and this is a rhombus, okay? I want you to bear in mind, this is your rhombus. This is your rhombus, okay? Now, your rhombus, right, if I cut a line like this, bearing in mind I cut from the diagonal from one side to the diagonal here, it is safe, right, to say it's 134 divided by 2. It is okay to do that. In fact, you should do that, It is 67. So you are saying that this is 67 and this is 67 plus together is 134. This is correct, okay? This is correct, everybody. But if you have a diagonal line that cut like this, and this line here, it never cut through that corner, right? You cannot divide by 2, okay? So if here is 134, right? And you go and take 134 divided by 2 equals 67, right? This is wrong. It doesn't cut that line equally into half. That is not a property of a rhombus. Because, right, for a rhombus, you should know the sides are equal. So the sides are equal, you can actually put the line equal line like that. So it's an isosceles triangle. Okay, in fact, this isosceles triangle and this isosceles triangle will be the same. So that also means that this angle here and this angle will be the same. Only, okay, given the fact your diagonal must cut from the one corner to another corner, then it works. Okay, if you are clear, then I want to continue this question. Okay, maybe the 134 a bit distracting to you. If I move it away, okay, I want you to see here. Can you see something you can do? Isn't it you can find this angle first? So whatever you can find, go and find because it will help you. That is your angle DCT. Okay, this is a straight line. So you are going to take 180 degrees minus 15 degrees minus 106 degrees. You are going to have 59 degrees, correct or not? So you're going to have 59 degrees right here. Okay, let me bring back that 134. Just now you told me that diagonally opposite angles are the same. So if your rhombus, okay, here is 134, here will also be 134, right? So you know that this whole thing, big thing right here, the angle is 134. Okay, then y'all can see something a little bit better, right? How do you find this angle now? Which I will label it as TCB, right? TCB. 134 degrees minus 59 degrees and you will have 75 degrees. Now, once you get here, right, is your 75 degrees. You actually got your answer already because, right, you want to find here, right? Okay, your rhombus, remember, they are parallel lines on the opposite side. So if you take a look, right, like this, right, you have your Z-shaped parallel lines here, can see? So it means, right, your angle here will be equal to the angle here. So once you get the 75, actually you got the answer, which is your angle CTD, okay? Which is what they want. Okay, angle CTD. Yeah, so we got the answer already.